this massive forging block.
Confirmed flawless, the massive forging block is routed to process A for the pivot housing, while secondary billets head to process B for hydraulic actuators.
Tools. The aerospace-grade rayed alloy billets are slowly fed into a highly controlled atmospheric furnace to minimize thermal shock.
The alignment is perfect. We are within tolerance.
Confirmed. Ready to proceed with the milling.
The transcription essays based on the provided script and in the context of a cinematic industrial documentary. 0 open fours.
The massive, ultra-high-strength alloy forging block, fully aligned on its fixture plate, is transported via a heavy...
The central pivot housing for the Su-24 fencer undergoes its initial roughing pass by the massive 9-axis gantry mill. High-precision lubrication channels, essential for managing heat and guaranteeing.
The massive pivot housing is transferred slowly into the controlled vacuum chamber, initiating the stress relief heat treatment cycle.
This critical non-destructive test confirms the material's surface integrity, ensuring the absolute reliability of the massive load-bearing component.
Apply the lubricant evenly across the surface. Done.
Ready for insertion into the housing.
The orbital polisher achieves a specific, measured roughness average to ensure maximum sealant adhesion.
The fully assembled pivot housing is sealed. Specialized fluid is pumped into the lubrication channels, increasing the pressure far beyond the operational maximum.
Highly sensitive acoustic sensors analyze ultrasonic acoustic waves for stress fractures. The digital readout
The VCI-wrapped pivot housing is carefully The crated pivot housing is automatically indexed deep into the high bay storage rack. A large industrial door automatically closes, sealing off the heavy machining and assembly zone dedicated. A diamond-coated honing tool oscillates rapid Zion swirling ore.
Crucial for the Su-24 fencer, these actuators are submerged for electroplating. The application of electrical current deposits hard.
The high-precision robot meticulously threads the machine piston head onto the actuator rod, then applies aerospace-grade thread locker and torque.
In this ultra-sterile clean room, specialized aerospace-grade seals are carefully organized and
Freight secured. Ramp closing now. Check all lock screens.
Ensure the alignment is perfect before we engage the hydraulics.
I'm on the last bolt here. The torque wrench is set. Bring it down slowly. We need absolute precision on this approach.
With the final panels secured, the Su-24 is prepared for critical system diagnostics, confirming the successful integration of the new actuator.
The Su-24 fencer is towed onto the maintenance ramp for a full hydraulic system check. A technician then initiates.
The hydraulics are performing exactly as modeled. Look at the precision on that sweep.
Data confirms zero deviation and stable power.